Hello，大家好，我是所罗门青岛995啊。我姐她刚刚打电话过来说，老渔民现在叫我店里，因为老渔民他过来，他跟我姐借了400块钱嘛，然后说是去加油去钓鱼嘛。其实说实话也不算是借了，因为上次我不是用了他可能有大半桶的油吧，就是我还没还回去给他嘛，因为我姐她不知道，所以说。然后我姐就给了他400块钱，说是可以把那个油给加满嘛，因为现在的油价比较贵，以前的话300块钱，3、4个月前吧，300块钱是可以加满的了，现在要差不多400块钱才可以加满，所以说我这边的油价涨得也是特别的厉害。现在疫情这么严重，所以说我也没有办法下去，所以说我就叫我姐帮忙拍视频了。其实老渔民他前2天他有拿鱼过来给我了，拿了一条很大的红鱼，但是我姐她是竖着拍视频嘛，就是不是16:9的，所以说她就是竖着拍，所以说我就没有发出来给大家看。这次我就叫我姐拍下来了，给大家看一下哈。
Da, Miss, what are you like in Polom?
You like for
Money?
yeah,
How much?
10, 15, 390 now.
390?
390 now.
For what?
6 gallon petrol.
Go pay the big floor?
Yeah.
Diesel?
Petrol.
Big floor?
Yeah.
You go take him fishing?
Yes. Coffee.
Okay. You
Yeah.
know him how? Him block?
Not me, alright.
No more you suck him by. Suck him by. You coffee, mas kalian dulu.
Flu stuff at our house now. People coffee, but they can have to do it night, like a small pot thing.
You must take care, yeah?
Have to do it.
Huh?
Permission cook. Using cook now.
You must take care, yeah? You said you pull on $400 to your big floor, yeah?
Yeah.
You said 390?
Yeah.
390?
39. 400.
Yeah, 400. Yeah, 400 to big floor.
Yeah.
Go
4 nights. 4 about 2 nights.
go fishing.
Go fishing your island night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You must take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Papa, you must go check him. Hey, but for him strong na important.
Come to me all too much now, but me little bit strong.
Yeah, you seem no slow you, him seem block and cough.
Yeah.
Hey, you must take care. You gotta wali, yeah. That's wali lo you, yeah. Yeah, I'm okay, yeah. You go by.
Yeah.
You must go check.
Yeah.
Check him, yeah?
Check first time.
You check him first time or first you go fishing?
We go fishing naman. Come back, okay. We go sleep, coma. Then come back. Anytime tomorrow.
Okay, check one.
Big Faro, how much? 400.
Yeah, $400, yeah?
Okay.
You must take care, yeah? Go by must check him. Eh, pasi mi wali lo corona. Tak chem you tik sta vesta ka corona.
Huku lang me like him.
Big hook mo.
Huku. Same,
Yeah.
same hook here. Big one. Big one.
Hook which one? This one?
Yeah. Come. 20.
How many pala?
20 no. Same last time.
20 pala?
Yeah. 2, 4. 10.
$100.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Hook mo? Tikting pala?
10.
Hmm?
10.
Ting pala?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Ting pala?
10 for this one.
$30.
This one. Something fish. Yep.
Nalawang mo?
Yeah.
How many pala?
2. Ano ko? 50 more. Let me pay finish 300.
Yeah.
2, 4, 6, 8. Okay.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 30, $60.
Okay.
Yeah?
460.
460 na.
Yeah. Kan nama official. Last time we take.
Eh, kau tikim Christmas holem cookie ya, kalem kita
Yeah.
Kim Thailand money for you.
Yeah.
Puele money. You all among finish ya.
We 24. We also we no potumo.
Okay, 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 bang. Ya, you must take care ya.
Hey, boy.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Look at you.
我姐她又跟我说，她说老渔民跟她聊天的时候，但是我姐她没有拍视频，她说她忘记了，她说她前几天嘛，他们出海钓鱼嘛，可能是跟她的儿子吧，还有其他人嘛，就是用了老渔民的船嘛，但是可能加油的话，老渔民可能是没有钱吧，然后钓鱼回来的鱼啊，有很多鱼嘛，就是有很多大红鱼，然后老渔民就拿了一条过来给我。然后他卖鱼那些钱啊，可能有2000多块钱吧，1分钱都没有给老渔民，然后可能是给他老渔民的儿子吧，他的儿子他也跟着去嘛，所以说可能是给他儿子吃掉了，也不知道，因为我姐她跟我说了一下，我说有这种情况吗？如果是我在的话，就好办一点，因为我又不在。所以说现在又是疫情，老渔民他现在也有点咳嗽，他说他晚上咳嗽咳得特别厉害，所以说我怀疑老渔民他们也是有可能得了新冠，他们说他全家人都是流鼻水咳嗽，所以说这是很危险的。但是他年龄这么大了，不过他幸好他打了疫苗不过还好一点所以说还是挺担心的。我姐都说他很老了，所以说还是挺担心他的。毕竟这种特殊情况，他还是要出海钓鱼，没钱啊，没办法呀。所以说，生活很不易啊，因为现在疫情肆虐，生活很不容易啊。在我们这里，我店铺也是很艰难的维持的。不要觉得我每天都是笑嘻嘻、开开心心的，但是其实我这个人的心态就是比其他人好一点嘛，就是不会说愁眉苦脸的。我这种人遇到什么都是嘻嘻哈哈的，就是说不会想得很极端不像个别人想得很极端我的心态就稍微好一点所以说因为你心态不好的话也没办法，都已经这样子了我也不想说作为一方面了，免得大家要说小五在哭死要是这哭说自己有多惨了，我就不想说，我就不想多说这些好了，我们这期就先到这里了，因为老渔民我没有给相机给他，所以说因为我没法下去嘛，所以说等他回来的时候，我再叫我姐拍照给大家看好了，这期就先到这里，喜欢小五都可以点一下关注，拜拜，下期见，拜拜。